I came to Abu Dhabi on invitation from the Environment Agency to work with teachers who are involved with the Sustainable School Initiative. This workshop is basically to create awareness about climate change using these three components of social, ecological and emotional intelligence. So I'm combining the art of puppetry. We are going to make puppets. Through puppets, the message on climate change will be given by the teachers to the students once they finish the program.
طبعا انا عرفت عن الورشه نتيجه ايميل اتبعت من هيئه البيئه لاداره المدرسه. اداره المدرسه وجهته لي على ايميل الخاص بادك. بدات اتواصل مع البيئه بان انا سجلت اسمي وبعت لهم استماره، وكانت فعلا سرعه الاستجابه ليا وسرعه ان انا مكاني موجود، وكنت سعيد بذلك يعني، ووفروا كافه السبل وكافه الامكانيات اللي تنجح الورشه.
We begin with an icebreaker session wherein we had to introduce ourselves and give an emotional connection with to the nature. So instantly we were into the workshop. Next we had a brief about climate change, which was informative for us because we had a knowledge of what we didn't have before. So we got the overall picture of the UAE. So then our activity hands-on experience started. We learned stepwise right from cutting to sticking in the fun way.
Messages like climate change and the importance of climate change and how do we overcome the climate change, these kind of issues are very serious for teachers to address to the students. So puppet is something which is fun loving, which is sort of light-hearted, and the messages are also interesting in its playway method among children. So the puppetry is being used by many educators all over the world, and it's also a traditional art form in many places, in many countries. So puppetry here is only the tool. The idea is to give the concept on climate change.
We were made into two groups, one group which would speak in Arabic and the other one would communicate in English. We had a group wherein there were English and Arabic language teachers, science teachers, and also the arts and craft teachers who help us in making the puppets.
The presence of these three disciplines here is very cooperative and very complete. How? First, we as teachers, we can use our language as a tool to express the message from this workshop to our students. Second, science teachers, they can provide us with scientific information that may not cross our minds. Third, our teachers are very good at just expressing these characters which make the message to get the students aware about dangers around our environment easier. So it's a complete work all together.
بصراحة استفدنا كتير جدا، يعني أنا بعتبر إن كل واحد في إذا كان مدرسة خاصة أو مدرسة حكومية أو مع اختلاف التخصص أضاف للتاني شيء تاني.
It's been an amazing experience working with so many other nationalities teachers.
الشيء ده كمان نقل لنا فكرة إن هو إزاي الطالب عنده بيقدر يستوعب. الطالب عندنا في المدرسة الحكومية كيفية التعامل معاه بدأت تكون ورش عمل مصغرة، وفي الآخر بنطلع بنتيجة واحدة إزاي أوصل معلومة بسيطة للطالب.
So these kind of things will make them understand the global issues, make them understand their own local issues in a more tolerant way.
UAE is the smallest country, but we are one of the largest producer of carbon. We have to realize, we have to create awareness in this.
I discovered that there are so many issues, so many problems, and it's high time now to find solutions, not only on the government level, but students, but the younger kids.
أولاً الطالب هو رسالة بين المدرسة وبيته، فلو اتعلم صح في المدرسة أكيد الرسالة ده توصل للبيت بشكل إيجابي.
One teacher I saw that making the mangrove, and we were talking about blue carbon, and he had put up those blue carbons little pom-pom fixed into the puppet. Similarly, there are other characters which the teachers have come up with their own idea of after understanding and learning about the climate change. So I think a lot of emotional intelligence has gone into this workshop.
Good afternoon everyone and welcome to our puppet show. Today we are about to witness a puppet show with a difference. This show is extremely special primarily because we organized it in just 24 hours.
And I'd like to thank Dr. Banu, who organised it and imparted her skills and expertise to the team and transferred the knowledge of how to use industry media puppetry to convey quite serious messages. Okay? So it's a fun way of learning important issues.
I was very impressed with the way they have presented the whole thing. And the other thing is they were all working together, you know, they were all from different schools, and they're all from different maybe curricular stream. That I felt is something, you know, great in the sense in Abu Dhabi, that everybody is working together for one single cause.